Hi everyone, it's me Forever Slime. Today I will be testing out 4 different types of Elmer's glue, and the first glue is the gel glue. Here I am just pouring the glue into a bowl, and my first impression was it came out pretty thick, and then it got like thin, almost watery. But now I'm just going to add my activator because I gotta activate it. The more I activate it, the more thick and gel-like it got. Here I will just be going in and start kneading it with my hands. Using this glue, none of the air bubbles cleared. I don't know what happened to when I was adding the glue into the bowl, but when I did add it, it came out in like little blobs. Here I am adding my activator. This slime felt like it had a little bit of the gel glue in it, but overall it was super nice, it was thick, and it made a lot of bubble pops. Our next glue I will be testing is the Elmer's color glue, which is apparently great for slime. Here I will just be adding the activator. This slime did end up losing a bit of air bubbles, but not all in total. The last glue I will be testing is the Elmer's glow in the dark glue. This glue I couldn't get entirely out of the bottle, so I did have to add a little bit of water and then pour that in, but I still did not get it all. Here I will just be adding my activator. This is some ASMR without it glowing. It did glow super well, but the camera did not get that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will leave Elmer's website down below along with all my social medias. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.